There's a time in everyone's life where they must make a decision. That decision is now. Uh, FYI, I'm about to brush my teeth, and I have a simple theory. I'm asleep right now. It's really late at night. Excuse me. But I call this the 30-day baking soda challenge. Okay? So in this challenge, there's a lot of speculation. If you look into the history of how fluoride is made in toothpaste, it's very little sketchy on how it's made. Pretty much fluoride in all essence, and this is serious. This is serious. Fluoride is it originated as an industrial waste product. Now, is that way still today in toothpaste? I don't believe it is, but fluoride, in essence, the growing up, I used to think that fluoride helps kill the germs around your teeth. Turns out it doesn't. It supposedly fortifies the enamel on your teeth. But here's the thing. The problem with cavities aren't your enamel from protection against the acid from the germs in your teeth. The problem is the germs in your teeth. You remove the bad germs and you don't have to worry about cavities ever. So I made a theory. I said that if I were to find a substance that not only kills bad bacteria, germs, or fungi, whatever, and also um, uh, uh, reduces the acidity of the acid breakdown of your enamel, that I can just take that alone and my teeth would naturally get whiter. So what would that be? Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes all acids into more of a line of neutral towards base. So you remove the acidic qualities that the germs break down in your teeth. So it would neutralize the acid and it would kill off a lot of the bad bacteria from simply utilizing baking soda. It has great medicinal purposes for killing off bad bacteria. So here, I call this the 30-day baking soda challenge. And for this, it's September the 1st. As day one, I am just going to take baking soda and brush my teeth with only baking soda for 30 days. And then from there, we shall see if my teeth does get whiter or not. I mean, who knows? But I have a theory that will, because it will neutralize the acid. It will kill off bad bacteria, and baking soda has a natural abrasive properties to help brush off old bad plaque. So let's get started. That's how my teeth look right now. They're not too bad. Slightly yellow. Okay, good. Okay. Baking soda. Toothbrush. The only trusted one that I trust. Arm and Hammer. Okay. Open. So it sticks. It's wet. It's nice and wet. Nice and thick. Good goodness. Look at that. It's It can taste nasty. Tastes pretty bad. Just like that. Done. Tastes nasty. Tastes pretty nasty. Wipe off my mouth real quick. It kind of looks a little whiter. I don't know. Maybe. So that is day one of the what I'm calling a 30-day baking soda challenge. And all I'm going to be doing is I brush my teeth twice a day, every morning and every night. And I will continue to do this and give updates as time goes on. Maybe not every single day, or maybe every single day. Who knows? But I'll figure it out. But here's day one, and on to day 30. Here we go.